Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MJNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Just an absolutely beautiful uptrend this one's been in for the past few days, and today was another great day. The one difference about today's price action, and really just the day in general, was that you had much higher volume accommodate the price action, which is always a good thing. When you see high volume and the price is generally heading in the upwards direction, that's what you want to see. You know, the flip side is also true. If you have big volume and the price action is downwards, that's not quite a good sign. But that wasn't the case here. Big volume and the price just continued on up. So let's map out some levels of support. And then actually looking at this and just thinking on my feet, really there's only one logical thing to look at this because it's really just kind of straightforward right now. And that is from the big picture perspective. So if you are some sort of day trader where you buy and then look to sell 3 minutes later, this analysis probably doesn't pertain to you. But for those of you that care about more so the big picture of things, the very logical question right now for you is, hey, Clay, how do I gauge the health of the, how do I gauge the health of the move? The move being defined as this right here. I care about the big picture. I just want a very cut and dry way to gauge the health of it. So let's apply the KISS method here. Keep it simple, stupid. And the purple line here is going to allow us to do that, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher. So from the grand scheme of things perspective, again, just keeping it cut and dry. As long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves upwards, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health. The bulls are in full strength. However you can visualize that, no questions asked. So sure, short-term wise, it'd be great if the price can hold up above 0.094, but if the price falls below 0.094, that doesn't mean everything's ruined or anything like that, because again, from the big picture perspective, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the overall trend is fully in the bull's favor. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because as this chart has proven, levels of resistance really don't matter. As long as the price builds higher bases like this one's been doing, then as you see, the chart takes care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So as long as the price builds higher bases, everything else will take care of itself. So nice looking trend. We'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon it next week or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.